G'day all, so in this video we're going to be going over how to do and use matrices on CAS. This is hopefully pretty straightforward once you actually get to understand the buttons. So firstly, when you're trying to find your matrices, you need to go to this little button here, okay? So you click this and you've got your 2x2 here, your 1x2, your 2x1, and then it looks like a 3x3 here, but this one actually lets you select, you click on it, your number of rows or columns that you want. So if you wanted a 10x1, it would bring it up for you, okay? We don't want that though, so I'm going to delete that. So just make sure that you know where to go, so you just need to click that there. So if we want a 2x2, okay, just select that. Yet again, you can just put your values in, -1, 0. So if you want to do 3 times this, you just do 3, multiply, okay, and it'll put the scalar factor up like that. If you want to define some matrices, so we can define, and we can say A is equal to, and then if I wanted to put this one here, Control C, Control V, okay, and then if we wanted to do 3A, just like we did above, okay, it comes up like that. So make sure you use of your define. If you're going through the tab, it's just actions define. So if you want to define another one like B, okay, just calling it B for example. Oop. Accidentally make sure that you don't press Control before you press this button, okay, and we want to call B this, and we're going to do a 3x3, okay. Just fill in all your values that you want that correspond to whatever matrix you're using, okay. So we define B, so if I wanted to multiply A and B together, okay, it won't let me because it doesn't allow false statements to happen, because A is a 2x2, B is a 3x3, it won't work, okay. So if I wanted to have another matrix, say call it C, and I'm going to have this as a 2x1, so we're going to have this as, okay. So now just take note, if I want to multiply A and C together, okay, comes up with our matrix fine, but if I want to multiply C by A, okay, it doesn't work. Remember that you can't switch them around with matrices, so A times C isn't the same as C times A, okay. So C, that's a 2x1, and A is a 2x2. So remember that 1 and 2 would be in the middle, so it won't work, okay? And you'll get this little message come up here. So this is actually just essentially everything you need to know about multiplying matrices together. If you want to plus some together, say I've got my matrix C, and I want to plus that with, and I'm just going to do another matrix. Remember, they have to be the same order. So here, I always press Control before I press that button for some reason. Just used to it. So got a matrix here, and I have 1 and let's say 9, okay, and plus them together just like that. So they're really easy to do on your CAS. Just make sure you know how to apply them by hand as well. So hopefully that helped with just how you can actually break them down on CAS. Okay, so good luck with that.